Hello kids! In today's lesson, we are going to learn 4 moral stories. So let's go! The Golden Eggling Hen. One day, a man found a hen that laid a golden egg. After finding the golden egg, he became greedy. He thought to himself, why don't I cut its stomach and take out all the eggs? He did what he said. He cut the stomach of his chicken but found out nothing. He regretted on his actions. And therefore, the moral that we learn from the story is that we should never be greedy. Because greed can make people do things that are not ethical or good. It can also make people selfish, short-tempered, anxious, and jealous of others. The Stork and the Fox. There was a very clever fox who always used to do mischief. He invited a stork to the feast. He arranged the food on the plate. And he himself ate quickly, but the poor stork could not eat anything. After the food, the stork too invited the fox for a feast. He served the food in a pitcher. But this time, the stork ate the food very quickly, but the poor fox did not get anything. So the moral that we learn from this story is that we should never show cunningness, for it may come back to us. Unity is strength. Once there was a farmer. He had 4 sons. But all of his sons always kept fighting among themselves. One day he called his sons and asked them to break wood one by one. The sons broke the wood easily. Then the farmer gave his sons a bundle of wood and asked them to break it. All the 4 sons tried one by one but could not break it. Then the farmer explained to his sons that there is strength in unity, so stay united. Now all of the 4 sons started living together. And the moral that we learn from this story is that we should always stay united. Because if you are united, no one can break you. Therefore, it is said that unity is strength. The Ant and the Pigeon. Once, a pigeon saw an ant drowning in the river. He plucked a leaf and dropped it in the river. The ant took the support of the leaf and sat on it and saved its life. And in this way, the pigeon and the ant became friends. One day, a hunter was aiming to hunt the pigeon. Seeing this, the ant bit the hunter's leg and the hunter missed his aim. In this way, the pigeon's life was saved. So, the moral that we learn from this story is that we should help each other because helping each other makes us good person. So, this was today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.